Hey, what's up YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to fix the ghost flush. You've probably seen it before, where your toilet flushes on its own. Well, here's the real quick, easy fix. It's going to cost you less than $5 and maybe about 5 to 10 minutes worth of work. Join me as I show you how.
Your first step is going to be to shut off the toilet valve. You may find this on the floor or behind it coming out of the wall. Next is to empty the top tank by flushing it. You can do this without flushing it or turning off the water. However, it's going to make it a lot easier. Remove the lid and place it somewhere safe. Here's your issue. The flapper is either worn out or has a buildup on it. You may be able to fix this by just cleaning the flapper. However, in this case, we're going to take it off, pull the tabs off of the ears, and remove the flapper. We're going to replace it with this universal flapper. It probably fits about 95% of the toilets on the market in the United States. And the fix is to put the ears back on the tabs. And you're going to reconnect the chain to the arm. Now the key is to get the chain the right length. This might take you a couple of shots to make sure that the chain is tight but not too tight, and that it allows the flapper to go all the way down. Turn the water back on. Let the tank fill up. And test your fix. If it works satisfactorily, all you're going to need to do is put the lid back on, and you're done with the great job.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Have a great day.